Are you struggling to calculate commissions and generate payee statements using Bullhorn data? Then this video is for you. Bullhorn is fantastic for managing candidates, clients, and placements, but it isn't built to automate commissions. That's where Sales Cookie comes in. Sales Cookie is an AI-powered commission automation platform with a native Bullhorn sync. It uses your Bullhorn data to automatically calculate payouts and generate commission statements for payees. No spreadsheets, no manual work. Let's get started. Start your free trial at salescookie.com. Next, go to Account, My Workspaces, and create a new workspace for your company. Next, go to Settings, Connections, search for Bullhorn, and follow a few quick steps to activate the native sync. Next, go to Transactions, add transactions to fetch your Bullhorn data. Good news, you can sync multiple entities from Bullhorn. I'm syncing placements since my commissions are based on that. I'm pulling data from the start of 2026, and I want Sales Cookie to fetch new and updated records every hour. During your first sync, Sales Cookie walks you through an intuitive mapping. This ensures that only relevant data is imported and the right team members receive commissions. Once your mapping is set, Sales Cookie remembers it and updates your data automatically hourly. Within minutes, your Bullhorn placements will appear inside Sales Cookie using the field names you already know. In the next video, I'll show you how to build automated plans using your synced Bullhorn data. Want to go deeper? Book a one-on-one demo on our website or start your free trial today. No credit card required. Thanks for watching. See you next time.